Money, money, money. People say you need to invest your money, but do you even know what a stock is? Do you know how to read everything on a stock page? I have been an active investor trader in the market for over 10 years. Today's lesson is a beginner's friendly course on understanding a stock. Feel free to skip around with the timestamps if you are already familiar with certain topics. What is a stock? A stock is a share of ownership in a company. Having a unit of ownership of a company gives you a claim on a company's assets and earnings. It is commonly depicted as owning a piece of the pie. How do I find a stock? The easiest way to find a stock is to use its stock symbol, also called a ticker symbol. Stock symbols range from 1 to 5 letters and will match you directly to the stock. Stocks are traded on the stock market. We went over the history of the stock market in our last video, which you can watch here. Some common ticker symbols are AAPL, Apple, JNJ, Johnson & Johnson, V, Visa, and AMZN, Amazon. What is an IPO? Companies will choose their symbol and put their shares on the stock exchange during an IPO, or initial public offering. During the IPO, the company will sell ownership shares in the company to the public for the first time. Once a company does an IPO, it is now called a public company and anyone can buy or sell shares. Also, when a company is public, they are required to release its earnings reports so that investors can review the company's financial data. Are all shares the same? Not all shares are equal. Most stocks sell common shares, but some companies have different types of shares. One of the biggest companies in the world, Berkshire Hathaway, has Class A and Class B shares. A Class B, BRK.B share has fewer voting rights than a Class A, BRK.A share, and is 1/1500th the price. Companies can also sell preferred shares, which guarantee a dividend or payout, but might not have voting rights. Most retail investors just buy common shares. What is a dividend? You may also have heard the word dividend and be asking yourself, what is a dividend? A dividend is a cash distribution from the company to the shareholders. Some companies pay dividends, and as an owner, you will receive a dividend payment for every share that you own. Most companies pay quarterly or every 3 months, but some pay monthly or yearly. How can you buy or sell shares? Well, you will need to use a brokerage company. A brokerage company will allow you to buy and sell stocks. So you will transfer your money from your bank account to the brokerage, and then you can start to buy companies. But wait, don't buy anything yet. We still have a lot to learn. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell to get notified. What brokerage do I use? I mostly use Charles Schwab for my brokerage account. Other common brokerages include E-Trade, Vanguard, Fidelity, Robinhood, Webull, and Moomoo. I used to recommend Robinhood for new traders, but they have kind of fallen out of favor recently, so now I recommend Moomoo. I have included a link in the description so that you can sign up for Moomoo and get some free stocks. The main reason I recommend Moomoo for beginners is that they have a free paper trading account for beginners. Paper trade lets you practice buying and selling stocks with no money, so that you can get used to buying and selling stocks without risking any of your hard-earned money. I don't care how much money you have. You can learn a lot from practicing trading. If you want to learn more about the market, paper trading is an excellent way to start. So go ahead and sign up for Moomoo's paper trade account with the link below for free. Why invest in stocks? Next, we need to ask ourselves, why invest in stocks in the first place? The main reason to invest is to make your money work for you. You can either work for your money or invest your money. Investing your money means it starts working for you and making money for you. A popular radio show called The Money Guy talks about your investments as an army of dollar bills that works 24/7 to make you money. Do stocks always go up? No, stocks are a risk and can certainly go down. On average, the market goes up more often than it goes down. But in certain years, such as 2022, it can go down quite quickly. The longer you stay invested, the more likely that the market will go up. From 1950 to 2021, the S&P 500 has yielded an annualized average return of 11.53% per year. How to make money with stocks? The main way to make money with stocks is the price going up. If you buy a stock for $20 and it goes up to $30, you can then sell it for a $10 profit. Another way to make money with a stock is to be paid a dividend, which we went over earlier. Okay, so all I need to do is wait for my stock to go up? But what makes the stock price go up? Stocks can go up for many reasons. Some common reasons are demand for the stock increases, earnings for the company improve, future earnings are projected to improve, the company buys back shares, a company updates or releases a product, and so many more reasons. Now that we know just a little bit about a stock, let's go over to Yahoo Finance and look up a ticker symbol together.